Good morning, students. Today I'm going to discuss the second half of the poem, that is the ant and the cricket. Before starting with my second part of the poem, I would like to revise the first part of the poem. In first part, what you have read in the poem, on the one hand, when the ant was busy collecting food and storing for the winters, what the cricket was doing? The cricket was busy enjoying his good times in the summer season. He has no plans for his future. He spent his time in the present. And what happened when the winter came? When the winter came, the ant relaxed and ate the food it has stored while the cricket had nothing to eat. The starvation and the hunger made him bold to go out and search for food and shelter. He wished to go to the ant and ask her for some help. Now we will switch to the next part of the poem. Says the ant to the cricket, I am your servant and friend. After listening to the cricket, the ant answers that it consider itself to be cricket's servant as well as friend. But we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. Now the ant says that we ant have some principles in our life. What principle is that? That we never borrow, never lend in anything from others. But tell me, dear cricket, did you lay nothing by when the weather was warm? Quote the cricket, not I. Now the ant asks the cricket, dear, really, seriously, you did not save anything in the summer season? What reply did the ant get from the cricket? The cricket says, no. My heart was so light that I sang day and night. For all nature looked gay, you sang, sir, you say. Now the ant asked the cricket, why you did not bother to save for the winters? Now the cricket replied that my heart was so light that I spent whole day and night dancing and enjoying the summer season, because I feel that the abundance of food and shelter will always remain there. He never cared about the future. He never cared about the future. Now what replied the ant gave to the cricket, that sir, the way you dance in the summer season, do the same thing in the winter also. The winter will also pass away. Thus ending, he hastily lifted the wicket and out of the door turned the poor little cricket. Now, in the end, the ant hastily, means in a very hurry manner, he pushed out the cricket out of the door. Folks call this a fable. I will warrant it true. Some crickets have four legs and some have two. In the last two lines, the poet says the folk, that is, the people, call the story of ant and cricket a fable. A fable means here that it is not a true story, but it has a moral. However, the poet thinks that the story is quite true. Why the poet thinks that the story is or the poem is true? Because there are many crickets with the four legs as well as with the two legs. Now, who is two leg cricket over here? The poet is talking about the human beings. We human beings also behave in the similar manner, the way the cricket behave. We also do not care about the future and repent when the time is gone. So I think so this poem is clear to you. Some questions are given to you. So read the poem twice or thrice the time and then try to attempt all those questions. Thank you.